In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images with Grok. We're going to walk through how to open Grok, write a clear image prompt, generate your first result, and then refine it using simple follow-up messages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a short description into a polished, eye-catching image. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Once the page loads, you'll land on Grok's main interface. Front and center, you'll see the prompt box. That's where you'll describe the image you want to create. Think of this box as your canvas in words. The clearer and more descriptive you are, the better the results. For your first try, use a basic image prompt structure. This simply means describing the subject, the setting, the style, the lighting, and the composition. You don't need special syntax. Plain language works great. Short, clear phrases separated by commas help Grok interpret your intent without confusion. Let's put that into action. In the prompt box, type a futuristic city at night with neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed wide-angle view. This covers subject and setting, a futuristic city at night, visual accents, neon lights, the overall look, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, and composition, wide-angle view. If you ever feel stuck, keep it simple and concrete. What, where, style, and how it's framed. Send the prompt. Grok will now generate an image based on your description. You may see a brief progress indicator. Wait for the result to appear. Rendering time can vary depending on complexity and system load, so give it a moment. If your first image isn't exactly right, that's normal. Think of it as a first draft. Now improve the image with follow-ups. The beauty of Grok's chat interface is that you can nudge the result in the direction you want without rewriting everything. Try short, targeted adjustments like make the colors cooler, add light rain on the streets, increase contrast, or sharpen details on distant buildings. You can also guide composition changes such as pull the camera lower to street level or emphasize reflections on wet pavement. If there's something you don't want, say so. Remove haze or no people in the foreground. Keep your follow-up specific and consistent with your original idea to avoid mixed signals. Repeat this refine and review cycle until the image matches your vision. That's all there is to it. Describe clearly, let Grok render, then dial it in with precise follow-ups. With a bit of practice, you'll be generating stunning visuals in no time.